67 YouTube channel, and my name is Rishi. So today we are in Captain's boat ride. I am on the motorcycle right now. Let's go on the boat ride. Now come guys. MJ included. See? Look, look. There's the boat. The life. This is the safety life jacket room. Let's wait until the boat arrives, I guess. Guys, let's get on the boat with ourselves. Now guys, I am on the boat right now. Let's start the ride. This is Madu's shop over there. And there's a boat over there where you can buy stuff. Now guys, we are in the jungle area. We are leaving it right now. No! We are leaving the jungle area. At least there are trees. More trees. And we are drifting. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to the next video. Bye bye. Now guys, now we are driving the boat. This is a safety jackets are for safety, and you can see the water and the trees right there. Let's start the boat right now. Another tree section over there. The captain's deck is right there. And the bridge over there. Under the bridge, we go, Mirake. I want something. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to the next video. Bye bye.